Okay.
So with that, let's raise your right hand and repeat after the oath of allegiance after me. I hereby declare and solemnly affirm that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen. That I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law.
นั่นแหละก็ค่อยเก็บไปกับเขาใส่ในนี้ ดูทุกท่านอ่ะ Yep.
Congratulations, Katia.
เข้าไปอ่ะตีนลงมา